We are learning all about shoe repair and maintenance this week. Things to include in your shoe repair kits should be things such as your screwdrivers. You want to be able to have things like extra taps or fiber boards. They sell them in kits. It's just not bad to have a backup set of that. I encourage dancers also keep spare sets of ribbons and elastics so that way if something happens and your ribbon or elastic completely frays out, you have a backup set that you don't have to be scrambling to go try to purchase somewhere. You also want to make sure that you have color matching thread for each pair of your shoes, be it black or if you need more of the neutral tones for like your point shoes, if you're dyeing your point shoes or anything like that, making sure that you have the appropriate thread color to go with that, along with a needle and scissors. I keep a kit together of specifically shoe repair needs, and I bring a more condensed version with for real quick fixes if something were to happen when I'm in class. I would be able to do something to remedy the situation. My more intricate stuff, though, should be happening outside of class to better maintain my gear. I see dancers sometimes just buy like a boatload of shoes, and oftentimes they'll just get whatever's cheapest instead of investing into more quality shoe wear. The better the shoe, the longer it's likely to last for you. And mind you, there are variables based on how advanced you are, how much your shoes are taking a beating, how often you're dancing, all these different things that come into play. So, like, you have to take that in consideration. But overall, your dance shoes are your gear. You need to take care of them. And so, throughout this week, we're going to talk about different techniques that you can do and the understanding of how each shoe is kind of different. So we're going to explore our ballet flats versus our point shoes and go through our tap needs versus our characters and jazz shoes and discuss our ballroom shoes. So I will see you tomorrow as we talk about our ballet flats. I will see you then.